Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn fabric painting on a silk cloth. So this is a pure silk from Karnataka, and Karnataka is famous for its silk. And I'll be drawing the outline in pen if ink is not smudging, and then I'll do the same thing with the brush. And I suggest everybody to draw on the paper first and then transfer. I have also drawn on the paper and then I transferred the design on the silk with the help of yellow card. It's a Bengal art design, Bengal Alpona, Alpona. Okay, that is the design. Those who are painting on the cloth, please make sure that your paint is not watery at all, because if it is watery, it will smudge. ये मेरा क्रिम्सन रेड कलर है। बंगाल आर्ट में रेड कलर का प्रयोग बहुत ज्यादा है। देखिए, ये तो कार्बन है जो मैंने यूज करा है। मैंने क्या करा, मैंने पेपर पे डिजाइन बनाए, ओके, और ये स्ट्रिप्स काट ली बॉर्डर के लिए। ये मेरा ब्रश है और ये जरा सा पेंट मैंने लिया है इसमें। ये जो मैंगो कैरी है ना, ये बंगाल आर्ट में बहुत ज्यादा बनाई जाती है। ये उनका ये और डॉट्स और कर्व्स बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर है। बंगाल आर्ट जो है ना, वो पट्टचित्र से भी बहुत मिलती है। एक्चुअली बंगाल का पट्टचित्र अलग होता है, मोरलेस सेम एज उड़ीसा, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा हर स्टेट में थोड़ा थोड़ा फर्क आ जाता है ना। तो ये पट्टचित्रा में भी बहुत बनता है ये मैंगो कैरी। When we have to make the dots, it's always better to make the dots with toothpick or dotting tool. Okay, unless you have good practice of brush, or you can use the back end of the brush. So this is silk. So for silk, consistency of the paint will be different. For cotton, consistency of paint will be different, and for this thing synthetic, it will be different. So best is to try on one end of the cloth and see if it is smudging or not. Now another issue comes that, see, my paint came till here. Now it's after this, there's no paint in the brush. So I have to restart from little bit back. There should not be any joint in our painting. It should look like a complete single line. Then always draw the outline. In Bengal art, outline is not by black color. In most of the Indian folk arts, outline is by black color. So take very little paint, see once again how less. Okay, and then just draw the outline first and then fill the color. So the advantage is that if we have done any mistake, then we can correct also. Friends, I have finished the border of this kurta. It's a silk kurta. And now I'm going to do the booty in this circle. So for that, from the center, I have measured 23 centimeter this side and exact 23 centimeter this side. I'm marking the dots on this line just 2 centimeter from here. I'll draw the pattern. So this is at 21, now 17, then next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 at 13, then 1, 2, 3, 4 at 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4 at 5, and at 1. Below this, like what I mean to say, my pattern should come in this area. Or something simple I'm planning to make. Now this is 4, so I'll bring it down, or I'll turn that ruler's direction. and start from the middle. Again, same distance. Exactly below this. All are at the distance of 4. Same procedure here. Just to be on safer side, I'm checking this is also in one line and this side also in one line. Now I'm going to draw a very simple design. Draw a mango carry. Simple mango carry. You can cut a stencil and then you can draw all of them of same size. It's up to you. Instead of drawing freehand, I hope you like my tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.